Yeah, friends, welcome. I have been asked by many of the people about medico legal support and medico legal service policy. Yes, friend, with 15 years of experience in medical law, practicing lawyer in High Court of India, and also by handling 15,000 plus issues across the country. Today, with all confidence and with all convincingly, I say that medico legal expert support and medico legal policy is a need of the hour. I definitely say indemnity policy is one of the policy which gives the peace of mind, but indemnity policy does not come in a picture in multiple places, which is a need for every medical professional and hospital centers. Let me give a few example to make you understand where this indemnity policy does not come in a picture and you need to have a medical legal support. Like in a pre-litigation cases where any patient has filed with you, knowing that they are going to be the potent litigant, you need to have a support of a medical expert to discuss about your case, to finalize and do auditing of your OPD IPD paper so that future you can be protected. During, if at all any medical accident happens, in spite of making all recitation and doing everything, if you could not able to save a patient in operation theatre and you made a medical record properly, still you need to get examined through legal angle. And because of the technology, it become very easy from operation theatre. If you can pass the paper through WhatsApp, through email, through various media, the legal people can definitely put their ideas and give you a very clearer guidelines in the same. Let me talk about one of the incidents where medical accident happened during operation and doctor has done all recitation. They have made all good medical paper, but when it is gone for the committee opinion, it was observed that when Froth was observed clear indication of pulmonary edema, why diuretic laxatives given after 45 minutes? It's not that my doctor is not given on time, but while writing there could be a material and the timing must have been smashed. Friend, this can be overlooked by you but not by the legal people. So lots of benefit you get during litigation also and post. Suppose matter has gone to the court of law and you have engaged the advocate who is fighting, but advocate has got the limitation of medical terminology. They are over dependent on you and you don't have a time to provide to this advocate because evening advocate is free, evening you are busy. In such a scenario, the drafting documentation goes to the court of law may not be favorable to you. But medical legal experts are there who can overlook on behalf of you. You can outsource the service to them and can be really great support to you. Not only that, friend, lots of defamation cases are arising and defamation cases is going to ruin the reputation of a doctor if it is not stopped at the right time. I have done in my practice multiple times by sending a notice to the defamator. Criminal defamation case and civil defamation case is the remedies to my professional if they opt for. So discuss with your medical legal expert, send them a notice. With a notice, if you fear, they also fear. Not only that, many of the time the mob psychosis, how to handle the mob, what need to be done in UV hours, need to get supported by medical legal expert with their experience. They can really guide you. You will agree with me, lots of YouTube channel, the news channel has cropped up and a smaller news reporter also comes to your hospital and put their words in your mouth to get their answers. And in such a scenario, not only reputation but legal hassle starts. Friend, how to speak to media people, what to talk in any of the medical accident cases are the need of the hour, which you can discuss with your medical legal experts and also get the idea, deal with the media people. In defamation case, deal with the reputation part. Not only that, friend, but if at all any notice is received, if it is properly answered, believe me, majority of case does not go to the court of law. In my experience of 15,000 issues, not even 0.5% has gone to the court of law. I say with all conviction because this is the truth. Not only that, I have found that many of the time my doctor do purchases lots of instrument through instrument supplier. They do have an annual maintenance contract of various medical instrument and they get really pissed off when these people don't provide the services. In spite of knowing all this, my doctor does not do. To have a peace of mind, discuss with your medical legal expert, send them a notice for deficiency in services and see the results. Not only that, in a year, lots of revenue has been lost by my hospitals and the medical professional, which is their legal money of their hard earned or hard work. Friend, remedies are there in law. Send them a recovery notice. One recovery notice, if you get fear, they also, if they need to over 10,000 rupees, they will not go to advocate, they will come to you and definitely give them or return your legal money. Even in 138 cases of check bouncing, expert are there to send them notices. Friend, this is your money. Even if 50% is recovered because of medical legal expert support the services, support of policy of medical legal services, it is a great earning. Not only that, but medical counsel cases, drafting documentation and guidelines in a medical counsel cases, and in a criminal cases, because every time patient rush to the police station, ADR get filed in death cases like accidental death report. Even in life cases, they rush to the police station, and then you get a summon from the police. You don't know what to do. Multiple things happen during medical practices. Friend, in all criminal cases, or medical counsel cases, all recovery cases, all sort of a defamation cases, all sort of a notices, or sending a notices to for deficiency services by the medical supplier, and pre, during, post litigation, medical legal experts and medical legal services policies are there for your rescue, and these are is not covered under indemnity policy, friend, because indemnity policy comes in a picture when case get registered against the doctor for the purpose of compensation. So that is not a foolproof defense in today's era. And again, let me share with you, the legal and medical legal education in today's scenario is going to really play a vital role player, where we as a medical legal service provider not only provide a regular medical legal tips to the doctor, but also a regular webinars to educate them, so that litigation get reduced and reputation of my hospital and doctor increases. Friend, I welcome you for the purpose of same on behalf of Doctors Risk Medical Legal Services India Private Limited, and also on behalf of my personal invitation, please do join a hand and opt for medical legal service policy, which is the need of the hour for you, friend.